Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to explore moving, rotating, and scaling objects in Blender. To select an object, place your cursor over the cube and click the left mouse button or drag using the left mouse button. To navigate around the object, use the middle mouse button to orbit. Hold Shift and the middle mouse button to pan, left, right, up, or down. Hold Ctrl and the middle mouse button to zoom in and out, or simply scroll the middle mouse wheel to zoom. Pressing the T key opens or closes the toolbar on the left side of the 3D viewport. This toolbar provides quick access to tools for the current mode, such as object manipulation, selection, transformation, and sculpting tools. In object mode, you'll find tools like Move, Rotate, Scale, and Transform. For now, I'll press T to hide the toolbar, and I'll also press N to hide the right side toolbar. To move objects, use the shortcut G while moving. Pressing Y will constrain the movement to the Y-axis. Right-click to cancel and return the object to its original position. Press G and X to move on the X-axis, and G and Z to move on the Z-axis. For rotation, the shortcut is R. Again, you can rotate along specific axis using Y, X, or Z. For example, if I want to rotate the cube by 45 degrees on the Z-axis, I press R, then Z, then type 45, and it rotates 45 degrees. To undo any action, press Ctrl plus Z. For scaling, use the shortcut S. To scale along a specific axis, press S, and then X, Y, or Z. If you want to scale on the X and Y axis, but not on the Z-axis, press S and then Shift plus Z to exclude the Z-axis. The same concept applies to moving and rotating as well. To delete an object, press X. To add a new object, press Shift plus A, go to Mesh, and select the object you want. Alternatively, you can use the Add a menu at the top of the screen. For different views, use the following shortcuts: 7 on the numpad for top view, 1 for front view, 3 for side view, Ctrl plus 7 for bottom view, Ctrl plus 3 to switch between right and left views. Let's create a cylinder. After adding it, you'll notice a small window at the bottom left of the screen labeled Cylinder Parameters. Here, you can adjust the polygon count, change the radius, and more. That's all for this video. In the next one, I'll explain Blender's UI in more detail, including the headers at the top, the scene collection, and more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tutorials.